everyone, it's Mr. Johansson, still on the Math Learning Center, and I wanted to show you their whiteboard app. Again, you just click on apps and you can come down and you can see all the different apps that they have here. I'm going to go to the whiteboard app. It's only available on the web and it comes up as a blank screen. Nothing terribly exciting, but I'm going to click on the pencil. When the pencil pops up, you can change the color if you'd like. There's also a text box, which I'm going to use to pop up our problem. It's the same problem as from the previous video. There's 90 frogs sitting on lily pads. There are 10 lily pads total. How many frogs are on each lily pad? So if you want to draw this out for yourself, again with the pencil, you could say, well, I have, click on the pencil. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And a lot of students will do it this way where they're not necessarily organized with their 10 lily pads, but as long as you have 10, that's all that matters. Now I suppose you could go through, and I'm going to change colors just so it's kind of obvious what's going on. I suppose I could go through and say, okay, well I need 90, and I've got to put 90 inside each of those lily pads. I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And keep counting until 90. No one really wants to do that, but you can see that I've used up 1. I've done it 10 times, and I'm up to 10. There's a little more sophisticated way you could do this. You could use a bigger number besides 1 to count. Maybe I could try using 5s. So I'm going to put in 5 frogs at a time. As I do this, I'm counting 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Okay, so I put 5 frogs onto each of the 10. Now I've got 50 frogs that I've used up. And you'll notice, the first time I did it, I put 1 frog on there, on each lily pad. That gave me 10 frogs. Then I've used another 50 frogs. I'm up to 60. I'm trying to get to 90. I think I know the answer. What if I counted by 3s? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So I did 3 times 10 was 30. You know, when I add these numbers all up, I actually get 90. I used up 90 frogs. Well, how many are in each of these lily pads? I have 3 plus 5 plus 1. That makes 9 inside each one. My answer is 9 frogs are on each lily pad. And so that's the way you can visually draw your division problem.